गुड इवनिंग एवरीवन। मेरा नाम है दिव्यांश श्रीवास्तव। कैसे हैं आप सभी? सो इन दिस सेकंड वीडियो व्हाट वी आर डूइंग, वी आर अबाउट टू perform a specific minor task on a virtual machine. In this task, we what we do, we add a user, we add a disk to the virtual machine, and we add a tag to our virtual machine. Okay, so same as a previous video, just go to the virtual machine, start that virtual machine. In the last video we have deallocated it. Start the virtual machine. Okay, those who directly see this video, please refer to my previous video. आप मेरी previous video जाके देखिए, उस वीडियो में आपको पता चलेगा what we are doing. We have created a virtual machine and we are performing services on it. अब services on it में क्या करेंगे? सबसे पहले तो मैंने virtual machine को check किया, उसे start किया. It is still in the process. Okay, you can see the executing start command on the select one. जैसे ही start command execute हो रही है, जैसे execute होगी, what we are going to do, the virtual machine is started. We should refresh. The status is now show running. If we refresh it, so refresh the status, the station is now running. So same, just there is no need to download the rdb file again and again. Okay, just go to the downloads, select your rdb file, and after that rdb file, or after that rdb file, just select the password, and after that password, sorry, enter the password, not select, enter the password, and same procedure. Yes, connect. If you give the correct password, it will connect in a smoother manner. Simple. Just like if you know everything in an exam, you are able to perform well. You can about to write every answer with proper indexing and proper format. So we are about to log into the virtual machine. So make the virtual machine ready. We attach the disk outside a virtual machine. Okay, from our Azure portal. I will show you how to do that. Okay, just go to the Azure portal. We go to the Chrome or Azure portal, go inside a virtual machine. Just go to the inside the virtual machine, what we are doing, and just go to down. There is a networking tab. You can see the networking tab inside and down networking. There is a settings tab. In the settings tabs, you can see disk option. Just click on that disk option. Inside the disk option, what we are about to find, we are find what we find option to attach this. Just plus create and attach a new disk. Just attach a new disk. There is an option. Give the disk name. This disk name is Divyansh, or we can say you can give any name. You can give the web server as well. And then we select what? We select a storage type and the size of the disk. The storage type is we select that is standard SSD for the developers and test, because we don't need very high or very costly type of disk, and the size is 100 GB. 100 GB is sufficient. So apply the changes. When we apply the changes, it will create a disk. It will attach the disk. Okay. First, it will create the disk of 100 GB and will attach that. And after attaching to that disk, after my disk is attached to the virtual machine, what we do? We just log into the virtual machine and make it visible, because that if you are attaching from the Azure, the virtual machine still is not visible. It is not visible. Okay. We are about to log into the virtual machine. Just go to the virtual machine. We make the virtual machine on, and the second tab is tagging. So same on the same way, we have a tag option. The tag option, when you enter on it, the server owner, you can give the name to your virtual machine. That tag, specific tag, who's the owner of that virtual machine, for a better understanding, for a professional representation of the Azure or the virtual machine towards the client and all. Server owner, we give value Devyansh Srivastava. So the tag is successfully created and attached to the virtual machine. Now we log into the virtual machine. Just log into a virtual machine. It is already logged in. Close this. We will proceed further in the series with the server manager. So Just write in the write in the start tab that disk not we create and format hard disk options we have select by default. So rewrite and don't go to disk cleanup. Just write okay. Create and format disk partitions. Create and format disk partitions inside. We are going in the disk partition and just maximize it. Okay. This too. If your disk is successful, let us you get this notification. Just maximize it. Okay. This too 100 GB online. Okay. These two are default and 100 GB that is unallocated. We already created it. Just right click on it. Sample volume. Just click next, next, next. Make it everything default. We are not changing anything. Next and finish. So that is the simple way how to attach a disk and how to show you just this PC normal. This PC double click on it. Inside that maximize order. Okay, you can see now new volume E 99.8 GB. It is successfully attached. So this is a third method. We created a user. No, sorry. We attach a disk and we attach the tag to the virtual machine. Now we created a user. First, I will show you what is a default user. What is a default user are there? There is a default user. You should check inside it. Same add edit user option in the start. Click on it. Maximize the settings. You see your info. When we get into your info tab, in the your info tab, we can see our default user, local administrator. That is my server because we have created it. We can also add others user as well. Just add others users, add someone else to the PC. We can create. Just right click on the users group, right click on it, new user. We can give the name as well. Okay, so we are giving Divyansh. Okay, username, user full name, confirm password. And my personal recommendation is that never check the box. User must change password at next log on. If you do that, you are giving the right password, it will not accept it. Okay, so never check this box. Okay, user cannot change the password. You can check this also, and password never expires. You can check this also. Can okay, there's a error. We can make the name short. We can give Devu, Devu. Let's try with that. This is not mandatory to give the full name and description. That is not mandatory. And just we are checking the box that password never expires. Password okay. It is successfully created. You can see it is successfully created. Now you can go to the properties. Right click on it. Go to the properties. You can see the member. We are making it at we are giving it admin rights. So go to the member of tab, add the add option. We are go to the add locations, sorry, advanced. In the advanced, we are click on find now and find now. You can see the administrator server one. Just click on it. Okay and okay. We have given the admin rights to our user, which is created by us. We have created this user. So let's go to the properties. You can see the member of it have two members users group. One is administrator and one is users. Now we close the VM and we try to log into the user which we have created. Close the VM. Now again we go to the downloads, double click on it, the DB file. Okay, connect. When we are connecting, okay, go to the more choices, use a different account. We can give the username, we can give the password. So always give the right password, okay? And okay. The other process are same. Yes, it will connect to your user. Same virtual machine, but with a different user, which we have created. Okay, same. Now you can see the username. Previous username was what was? That is my server. Now the username is Devu, Devu. So All the three tasks we are successfully performed on the VM: disk attachment, tagging, and user creation. And we are successfully logged into the virtual machine with the same user. So these are the minor and basic steps of Azure Virtual Machine Series Part 2. If you want to see the username, you can just open the command prompt as well. You can see the username, ipconfig. You can shoot, you can see the virtual machine, IP address, subnet, default gateway. All these are the basic commands. So what we have covered today. Now we are about to close. We have what we have covered today. That's it for today, guys. We covered disk management, not disk management, disk attachment. Okay, disk attachment, user add, and VM tagging. So these three simple tasks we have performed here now in Azure. So thank you very much, guys. I hope this video, I hope this video helps you all with the basic knowledge of Azure. So keep sharing with your tech lead, with your friends, with your professors who are about who want to learn to Azure in a basic and proper manner. So keep sharing. That's it for today, guys. Thank you very much. If you have any doubts, any questions related to Azure or any topic that you want me to make the video of it, so let me know in the comment section. You can email me as well. You can find our emails in the description box. So always make sure you stop your virtual machine as I show you in the previous video to make the billing stop. Okay, we only get 16,000 credits uh, in the free account, 16,000 rupees and $200. Okay, we are executing a stop command on our virtual machine. Always, when you execute your services, you execute your tasks. Always stop your virtual machine. Okay, otherwise your credits will gone to Microsoft. Your credits will fly. Okay, so keep subscribing, keep